Hello everyone. In this segment we're going to talk about another way to fasten urethane to metal substrates. In this particular example we use a weld washer, what we call a weld washer. This is embedded in the product and actually molded in. When this gets molded, we weld this to the metal substrate, and we're able to drive a plug into the counter bore and seal this up and make this a flush install. In a previous video we talked about wedgie bolts, where that's good. Wedgie bolts are primarily used in grain handling type installs. In this particular instance, most people using the thicker urethane use the weld washers, and these are primarily mining applications. So next we'll show how to actually weld this to a substrate. Okay, now that we've got this welded, you can see it's welded securely to the back plate. And where this is just a mock-up for this video, in an actual install, we actually mold in these weld washers in the sheet. We typically recommend, when we're laying these out in production, 8 to 10 inches along the perimeter. And what that does, that keeps sand from getting in underneath this pad and hydraulicking this thing off the substrate. In the center of the pad, we typically do 10 to 12 inch, depending on the size in the middle. But we want to minimize how many of those holes we put in the middle of the sheet to reduce possible problems with wear along these counterbores. Next, we'll go ahead and drive one of these plugs in and show you that we'll have a pretty flush end product. Okay, this completes the segment on weld washers. If you would like to subscribe to future videos, you can click the button below. If you have any questions, you can go to the comment section below. If you'd like to go to our description box below, you can then follow our link back to other products. Thank you for watching the video, and see you next time.